what are the uses of Pine Glo or Pine Sol? In today's video, that's what I'm going to share with you. For some time that I've been using cleaning products, now I'm beginning to read the ingredient, the things that it does before I use them, because it's very helpful. I know many people don't do that. You just buy the product, it says you clean this, and then you started using it. Sometimes there are certain things you cannot use it on, and then we end up destroying some of the things that we use it on. So today I want to take a deeper look into Pine Sol or Pine Glo to see exactly what you can use it for. And let's take a look at it. This is Pine Glo. It is antibacterial, kitchen and bathroom cleaner and disinfectant. It kills 99% of bacterial and viruses. And then you have the active ingredients on this side here. And then we do have the direction here for use. It says it is violation of federal law to use this product in a manner inconsistent with its labeling. So make sure you use it appropriately, the way it's supposed to be used. So it says before use in federally inspected meat and poultry, food processing plants and dairies, food products and packaging materials must be removed from the room or carefully protected. It says apply this product undiluted to hard, non-porous surfaces, thoroughly wetting the surfaces with a cloth, mop, sponge, sprayer, or by immersion. Treated surfaces must remain visible wet for 10 minutes. Also, treated surfaces must remain visibly wet for 3 minutes. And then for other uses over there, treated surface must be remain visibly wet for 1 minute. Wipe dry with cloth, sponge, or mop, or allow to air dry for visibly soiled areas. Preliminary cleaning is required for sprayer application. Use a coarse spray device. Spray 6 to 8 inches from surface. Avoid breathing spray. Rinse all surfaces that comes in contact with foods such as countertops, appliances, tables, and stovetops with potable water before reuse. Do not use on utensils, glassware, and dishes. And this is where you have to pay attention to this. Do not use on utensils, glassware, and dishes. When used on hard, non-porous surfaces in areas such as locker rooms, dressing rooms, shower and bath areas, and exercise facilities, allow surface to remain visibly wet for 10 minutes. For mold and mildew, repeat treatment every 7 days or more often if new growth appears. This product is not for use on medical device surfaces. It has storage and disposal, household residential store in original container, in area inaccessible to children, non-refillable container. Do not reuse or refill this container. Wrap and put in trash or offer for recycling if available. For commercial, institutional, industrial, do not contaminate water, food, or feed by storage or disposal. Pesticide storage, open dumping is prohibited. Store in original container in areas inaccessible to children. So for container disposal, non-refillable container, do not reuse or refill this container. Triple rinse, offer for recycling or reconditioning, or puncture and dispose of in a sanitary landfill or incineration if allowed by state and local authorities by burning. If burned, stay out of smoke. As disinfectant, this product is effective against certain things over here I wouldn't want to mention. Use this product in household, kitchens, and bathrooms. Use this product on washable, hard, non-porous surfaces of bathtubs, counters, shower stalls, stoves, toilet exteriors, bathroom fixtures, exterior surfaces on refrigerators, sinks, garbage cans, high chairs, walls, and floors. Those are the things you can use it on. So it says for precautionary statement, hazard to humans and domestic animals. Caution: causes moderate eye irritation. Avoid contact with eyes or clothing. Wash thoroughly with soap and water after handling and before eating, drinking, chewing gum, or using tobacco. For first aid, if in eyes, hold eye open and rinse slowly and gentle with water for 15 to 20 minutes before remove contact lenses if present. After first 5 minutes, then continue rinsing eye. Call a poisonous control center or doctor for treatment advice. Have the container or label with you when calling calling a poisonous control center or doctor, or going for treatment. For general information on product use, etc., call the National Pesticide Information Center at the number they gave, and also all the contact that you need. And it says allow the surface to adjust to room temperature before disinfection. And then you have keep out of reach of children, caution. You can read the precautionary statement and first aid. You can see the back. So this is the overview of our Pine Glo or Pine Sol. It's always good to pay attention to what you use cleaning essentials for. I never used to pay attention to them before, but now I do. Instead of you not having the time to go through, I will go through them for you so you can be mindful of them. So now you know the do's and don'ts of using Pine Sol or Pine Glo to clean your kitchen faucet, your bathtub faucet, your bathroom sink faucet, your toilet bowl underneath, outside your toilet bowl. You can use it on your tile floor to wipe everything off, and it cleans so amazingly. I am very amazed at how clean, bright all the chrome looks like, all the faucet looks like. So you can use it on those. So now you know how to use. Let me know where you are calling from. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel. And as well, can you mix Pine Sol and bleach? Let's take a look.